Entertainment this month. Next month, we have a big concert of Jimmy Cruz. And then I'm doing a film. May film akong gagawin for projects na this year, siguro mga 3 pelikula. Babalik ako sa film ulit para to produce films. We're planning to, one of them is a collaboration with a big movie company. And back to production, back to producing. And then back to music scene for concerts. And then some of my beauty queens will compete for international. And the next one we will compete is Miss World. And for all the competition, for all the candidates, siguro naman this year, I got 5 rounds na nauwi sa Pilipinas. Nagbigay ng honor sa aking country, 5 beauty queens ko na nanalo sa buong mundo. And this time we're expecting another honor, another victory for Miss World, yung aking candidate na Miss World. I have a strong feeling that this time we will get a second round from Miss World.
Pag mayor kayo, gagawa kayo ng pageant sa Olongapo?
Siyempre.
International.
International. Hindi na gagawin ng international. Lalo na pag natayo ko na yung convention center.
And para din po sa kabagiran ng lahat po, ano pa po yung mga activities nyo, entertainment sa Olongapo na maaari nyo po i-share po sa akin?
To be honest, every day I have entertainment. Binago ko ang campaign style and rally ng Olongapo. Dati, ano lang sila dyan. Kasi nga, I'm promoting a modern Olongapo, bagong Olongapo. It should start from you. Dapat ako, kung mismo pakita ko sa public na bago, even a campaign trail mo, bago. Kaya every day, my stage, it's big. Even just in barangay, naka big time stage ako, naka LED, may mga laser lights, may mga different lights talaga, may live band, may entertainment, bago. Even my slate ay nagbibigay ng entertainment. So, you're promoting tourism. You're promoting to bring back the entertainment of Olongapo. You have to show to the public that you should start from you, the change of Olongapo. Dapat manggaling sa akin. Kaya pinapakita ko sa kanila ay ang modernong plataforma. Dapat pati ikaw, ang campaign mo ay isa rin moderno.
Last question po. Sa line-up po ng councilors nyo and other